What was that? You need some expert tips on financial aid? I got you. Follow me. All right, expert tip number 1. Don't forget to have a current FAFSA on file. You could check this by logging into studentaid.gov and ensuring you have one for the current academic term. If you don't know what academic term we're in, reach out to a financial aid counselor and they'll gladly let you know. Now, when you get to the end of your FAFSA application, you'll get to the most important part. That's where you'll put in your school's code. Now, making sure you put in your school's code is very important because that's what lets your school know that you're interested in receiving financial aid at their institution for the upcoming academic year. You could put up to 10 school codes, so don't worry about running out of space. You have plenty of options. And since you're here, I'll go ahead and give you Delgado's school code. That's going to be 004626. If at any point in the process you get confused, feel free to check out the financial aid page on the Delgado website. On there, you'll see a tab that says Apply for Aid that'll give you plenty of tips and tricks. Expert tip number 2 is going to be explaining the 4 major types of aid you'll experience on a college campus. The first is going to be Pell Grant. At the end of your FAFSA application, you'll receive something known as a student aid report. Through the student aid report, you'll receive a very important number known as your EFC, or Expected Family Contribution. Now, once you have your EFC, head over to Delgado's financial aid website. Underneath financial aid basics, you'll see a Pell Grant chart. Along with your EFC and the credit hours you'll be enrolled in, you can determine just how much Pell Grant you'll be receiving for the semester. Now, the 2 types of loans you'll come across are subsidized and unsubsidized loans. The main difference between the 2 is that the subsidized loans won't start accruing interest until you either drop below half-time enrollment or you're out of school for 6 months. Lastly, I want to talk about external scholarships. If you've received a scholarship, be sure to reach out to a financial aid counselor at Delgado to make sure that gets squared away. You can also check out other external scholarship options on Delgado's financial aid website. Expert tip number 3 is going to be understanding the studentaid.gov website. When you log into the studentaid.gov website and visit your dashboard, there you can see all the loans and grants you've accepted from any institution in your academic history. This information is useful because it'll let you know about how much money you've taken out so far and how much you have left to use in the future. Another very crucial function of the studentaid.gov website is for first-time loan borrowers. If you're a first-time loan borrower, you're going to want to visit the studentaid.gov website to complete your loan entrance counseling and your master promissory note. Both the loan entrance counseling and the master promissory note can be found under the Complete Your Aid tab on the studentaid.gov website. Now, those are some pretty good expert tips, if I do say so myself. Don't forget, if you have any questions moving forward, feel free to hit us up via email at finaid@dcc.edu. Have a good one.
That was some fantastic info from our Delgado family. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button below as well as the bell to get notifications every time we post a new Chew and Chat episode. You can also follow us at Delgado Recruit on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, and at Izzy_Delgado 1921 on Instagram. To find out when our live stream events are happening, check out our website, www.dcc.edu/future-students/events. I'm Nikki with Recruitment and Outreach, and we'll see you next time.